Welcome to this More for Apps video. Today's video is on the item cost wizard. This is building what if analysis for average and standard costing in discrete manufacturing. You could do something similar with OPM as well. Let's take a look. First step is getting the data into the wizard. So we're going to download frozen cost type information with the last receipt price details. That will help us build our new material costs. Now let's take a look at the download process. So we're going to download via the form. We're going to choose our inventory organization, the cost type, and we're going to select a cost element of material. We'll include the sub-element too. We select the last PO price, and this will give us the last price we paid on the invoice and at time of receipt. And we'll use this information to build our new material cost. Now that we've pulled back the frozen cost information at the material element, we need to prepare the data for our upload into the new what if cost type. The data preparation consists of some stuff that's Excel based and some that's more for apps specific. To start with, we're going to move the amount column across one, and we'll call the old amount value the old amount column. Now the wizard will ignore this. Then we're going to use a formula. If we had a receipt price, then use this value. Otherwise, just stick with the old amount. Technically, we could just not load those values if we're keeping the same cost type, but because we're using a what if and we're changing from frozen, we want to use those values anyway. I'll also put in the cost type up the top as a default. That will automatically be populated for all the records below. Of course, I could use standard Excel and just populate them directly. Now that we've got the data in a format that we want, we need to execute the import process. First we select the records we want to load. In this case I'm just doing a selection. I could upload everything, and then we just press the upload button. Now this puts the data into the interface table, and it's now pending. Next we'll submit the import program. While that's running, we can see the amount columns have been automatically populated by our default value, and we view the concurrent request. We can see that it's imported, and we simply refresh the interface. Done. All those costs have been uploaded into that what if analysis cost type. So it's that easy to go and make a what if analysis with your costing data. From the advanced pre-validation logic at the upload stage to the flexible worksheet layout so you can align columns to how you want to see the data, and of course that enhanced downloading option. Thanks for watching this video.